Puffball mushroom pizza part 2. Peeling it. It's so satisfying. I think we might have cut this up a little bit too thick. It has been so much fun. It's been so much fun. I can't believe these are in the oven baking right now. Wait till you see what we do with them. First, we peel all the skin off. You gotta get all that skin off. And you're left with these, it feels like cloud bread. If you ever had cloud bread, that's how it feels. So if you like mushrooms, look and watch. If you don't like mushrooms, look away. But after I got all the pieces peeled, I can't believe how many mushrooms. Wait till you see. You're not going to believe it. Some of them broke apart a little bit. That's okay. This isn't a fancy schmancy restaurant. You know we don't do fancy schmancy. We're just going to keep peeling. And I don't know. Can you eat the rind? Morton's asked me. I don't know. We didn't look it up. We probably will one of these days. Tell us if the rind is edible. Hopefully before we throw the rind away. So they're in this state of, they're almost done. I'm stacking up the big stack. Morton is sauteing red onion. I don't like an onion to be raw. We're not sure how long these are going to cook for in the oven. We have no clue. I'm going to do them at 350. I'm going to start them at 10 minutes. I'm going to save the one part. We're going to cook it like you do tofu with General Tso's, I think. So Morton's just doing on a dry skillet, We're just going to saute them on both sides till they get a little bit brown. And we are going to then, when they're all brown, when they're all done, we had so many of these. Wait and see comment if you can count how many pizzas we made. So we have this bread. Well, it really is looking like bread. We have this mushroom, powder puff mushroom that I still have more to do. We had all four cast iron skillets going. Morton put the sauce on it. I was putting them on there. He was putting the sauce on. And then we both kind of decorated them. Mushroom on mushroom with pizza sauce, mozzarella pearls, sliced tomato, and sauteed red onion. Into the oven they go. Wait till you see them.